chest.
Ate mo.
Ate dyan, Ken?
Hindi, nagsandala ko eh.
Ano yung nawakan mo dyan?
Hindi, nagsandala ko sir, tumama sa ano.
Ay, live boy pala yun.
Oo, live.
Sirado. Kuha ko lang. Pinabrak. Ito iba. Parang...
Oh, iba yan.
Parang kuhan. Iranian.
30 September 1754.
Ah?
Yung isa hindi ko alam yan, ano?
Ano yung mananamberan ulit yun?
Oo nga.
Nabura na eh.
Ito sa akin yung sarili lang.
These stones are mainly granite stones, probably taken from a source somewhere in Southeast Asia, which may have been used as ballast stones for the historic shipwrecks that may have contained these materials. And they may have been quarried for the purpose of rebuilding or recycling buildings, architectural buildings elsewhere in the Philippines.
Sobrang laki katawan sa sir. Ano ba yung klase ng NTI?
We do not want to go into like political or territorial boundaries. We just use our GPS to locate the locations. And at the moment, I think this is under the care of the Philippine government. And so they belong to us. That's why they are here in the National Museum.
Ako ko lang pagkano lang sa meron po balik dito. Pati ako sa pagkano. Kaya mo yun, nakita mo yung